Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of a test here before I actually do the real solution. I'm just going to work the first problem. So the first problem, I guess we need to remember what the XOR gate does. So, whoops, let me go here on the XOR gate. Remember, let's see, does this work? Okay, remember on the XOR gate, if I have a 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 gives me a 1, 0, 1 gives me a 0, 1, 0. Oh, actually, let me erase this. Sorry, XOR gate gives me 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So XOR is going to be 1 only if they're different. So we'll have a 1, 1, 0, 0 like that. So on this particular gate, we would have the two are inverted at the beginning. So when we have so when there's a 0, 0, that's when we invert those, so that'll be a 1, 1, so that still gives me a 0. When I have a 0, 1, we invert it, we'll have a 1, 0, that still gives me a 1. We invert this, and we'll get a 0, 1, that still gives me a 1. And then 1, 1, we invert to get a 0, 0, that still gives me a 0. So this thing also implements an XOR. Okay.